If you are an iPhone 7 owner, you want to get good audio for your videos, and you're realizing that, there just aren't many options out there for connecting a Lightning microphone to your iPhone. This is kind of a big problem, but you do have the Lightning to 3.5 millimeter adapter cable. This thing will solve all your problems. So this also works for people with an iPhone 6s or an iPhone 6 too, if you want to use the Lightning connector instead of the regular 3.5 millimeter jack that you still have on that phone. So in this week's video then, I've actually got a test of using the same Lightning to 3.5 millimeter adapter cable with my iPhone 6, and as you can see, there is something being recorded, and I'm using the EIM 003 microphone for this test. So here it is again. Look, this is the internal microphone. Nothing. EIM 003. Right, there it is. Okay, those are the waveforms. So it does work. So if you need good quality audio for your iPhone 7, have a look at this external microphone, the EIM 003. This is actually the ESL 006 cable that it is attached to, because the EIM 003 doesn't come with its own cable. So you can get this kind of lavalier setup and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about choosing a microphone, and also what issues you're having with your iPhone 7. Maybe I can find a solution for you. Thanks again. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.